Hi everyone, welcome to Cooking with Chef Rich. Today we're going to be making some rice pilaf. Very basic. I do my rice pilaf on the stove. You can do it in the oven, but I'm going to do a stovetop version. So let's jump right in. We'll talk about our ingredients. I have some onion diced up and some chopped garlic. I will be listing all the ingredients in the description down below. A little bit of olive oil. I'm using some basmati rice, water. I'm using chicken base to flavor it. You can use a vegetable base if you're vegetarian, by all means. A little bit of turmeric to give it a beautiful yellow color. And some frozen vegetables that I've defrosted and rinsed. Very simple. So this is a very quick dish to make. I'm going to add just a teaspoon and a half of olive oil to my pan. And we're going to start off by sauteing our onions. We don't want to brown our onions, we just want to make them translucent. So this is going to take about 5 minutes to cook. I am going to stir this every minute or so it doesn't brown. As I said, I don't want to brown, I just want it to be translucent. So I'll show you what it looks like in a few minutes. Thank you. So our onions have been cooking for right about 5 minutes. And you can see it's starting to brown a little bit on the bottom. They're what they call translucent. Next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to add my rice. I'm going to cook my rice just for about 2 minutes. I'm going to stir it every 30 seconds or so. And in about 2 minutes, I'll show you what it looks like. So I'll see you shortly. All right, so our rice has been cooking for right about 2 minutes. Now I'm going to add our water. Do a nice stir, make sure it's not sticking at all. Very important that you make sure it's not sticking now, because if it's sticking now, it'll be burned later. Next thing we're going to do, we're going to add our chicken base and our turmeric. As I said, the turmeric is really just to give it a beautiful yellow color. And once this comes up to a boil, I'll show you what to do next. So I'll see you in a few minutes. Thank you. So our basmati rice is just coming up to a boil now. I'm going to give it one last stir. It's actually cooked a good part of the way. I'm going to turn this down to medium, or actually low. You'll notice it has a beautiful yellow color, as I was saying, because of the turmeric. I'm going to put this on low and just let it simmer for probably about 10 to 15 minutes. And it'll be done cooking, and I'll show you what it looks like. I'll see you soon. Thank you. So our rice was cooking for probably right about 15 minutes. You can take a look at it. It's a beautiful yellow color. This is like frozen mixed vegetables. You can do peas and carrots. You can put any type of vegetable in here you like, or you can leave the vegetables out. The vegetables add a little bit of crunch to it, which is nice. A little bit of flavor and definitely some nourishment. So I'm just going to stir them in. As you can see, the rice is piping hot, and you don't actually have to cook them. I just give them a rinse in case there's any impurities or anything in there. You don't want to stir rice too much. And anyway, that's what it looks like. I'm going to put it on a plate and show you what it looks like in about a minute. Thank you. So I put our rice pilaf in a bowl, and I want to show you what it looks like. Put just a sprinkling of parsley on top. Give it a little taste. Has a really nice flavor. The vegetables give it a little bit of a crunch, which is nice. A little bit of texture contrast. Really nice dish. And simple to make. Very quick. And it has eye appeal, like a bright yellow color. You know, your eyes are drawn to the nice yellow color. So anyway, thank you for watching. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, please share it with your friends. Please subscribe and hit the like button. And I will see you in the next video. Be safe, everyone. Bye-bye.